These aren't your normal full-size camper vans or RVs. These are K campers, which are small, intelligent, and extremely effective vehicles based on the well-known K-class automobiles from Japan. These small cars, which were first created after World War II to offer reasonably priced transportation in a nation with constrained space and narrow streets, have developed into some of the most inventive mini campers on the globe. A very intelligent living area is often concealed behind what appears to be a little exterior. Mini kitchens, foldable beds, pop-up roofs, storage solutions, and even off-grid power systems are all crammed into automobiles that are no larger than city cars. We're listing down 10 Japanese K-campers that you should watch in this video. Each one demonstrates that traveling in comfort and style doesn't require a large RV. These tiny camper vans are reinventing what it means to live on the road, from factory-built conversions to crazy do-it-yourself creations. Let's get started. The Field Life Vita is a highly impressive Japanese K-camper that demonstrates how a compact van can deliver a remarkably comfortable outdoor experience. Built on a dependable Daihatsu Atrai platform, it incorporates a clever pop-up roof design that increases internal headroom to roughly 2,000 millimeters, creating an unexpectedly airy living space. The interior features a generous sofa that smoothly transitions into an adjustable bed, paired with underfloor storage, overhead cabinetry, and a dedicated shoe compartment to optimize organization. It also comes equipped with a circular sink, an extendable shower faucet, and an adaptable table suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. Operating on a secondary battery system with an available lithium-ion upgrade for off-grid travel, the camper stays under 2 meters tall when lowered, ensuring it remains easy to navigate and park during daily driving. The MYS Mystic Mini Pop B is a highly celebrated Japanese K-camper constructed on a Toyota Pixus truck platform and refined through over a decade of continuous development. A major strength of this micro motorhome is its deep level of customization, allowing owners to personalize everything from the exterior paint to the interior finishes according to their taste. The cabin delivers a warm, inviting atmosphere with subtle vintage aesthetics, enhanced by updated cabinetry featuring wooden hardware and optimized storage solutions. Inside, the living space is outfitted with a 12-volt cooler, a specialized water meter system, and distinctive denim-toned upholstery that provides a contemporary yet cozy feel. While it is intentionally tailored for light camping adventures and weekend getaways rather than rugged off-road expeditions, its compact footprint ensures it remains incredibly nimble and easy to drive. The White House Camper's NVAN Compo expertly reimagines the Honda NVAN into a highly capable Japanese K-camper tailored for outdoor hobbyists and overnight travelers. Frequently likened to a mobile secret base, this microcamper maximizes its interior footprint with a highly adaptable cabin arrangement that easily configures for sleeping, lounging, or hauling gear. A cushioned mattress ensures a restful night, while a raised bedboard design increases internal standing room up to 1,800 millimeters. The vehicle comes packed with amenities, including an indoor-outdoor accessible sink, a microwave, a folding table, onboard water storage tanks, power outlets, and a detachable mosquito mesh. For added utility, it features an exclusive swiveling driver's seat and an engine-independent fuel-fired cabin heater to maintain warmth. Externally, it can be outfitted with a side awning to establish a terrace-like outdoor living area, a rooftop cargo rack, and a rear carrier capable of transporting up to 3 bicycles, making it an exceptionally well-equipped and adventure-ready setup. The Honda N-Box Joy is an innovative Japanese K-vehicle engineered for leisure transit, weekend getaways, and overnight camping. Utilizing the third-generation N-Box architecture, it merges compact outer dimensions with exceptional interior utility. The exterior layout distinguishes itself with an updated bumper, specialized air intakes, retro-themed wheels, and a prominent black grille, while available roof racks, adventure decals, and secondary LED lighting enhance its rugged aesthetic. Inside, the rear passenger seats fold down entirely flush to establish a flat, comfortable sleeping surface, complemented by concealed underfloor compartments to maximize cargo organization. The vehicle is powered by a 658cc 3-cylinder engine generating 58 horsepower, with an available turbocharged configuration pushing output to 63 horsepower. Both engine options utilize a smooth CVT and are available in either front-wheel or all-wheel drive, offering a highly adaptable package that effortlessly balances everyday metropolitan driving with spontaneous outdoor excursions.
The K-Works exclusive Mini Bird is a premium Japanese key camper constructed on the versatile Daihatsu Atrai platform, tailored specifically for solo explorers and pet-friendly travel. The cabin prioritizes high-end comfort and intelligent space management, featuring a completely flat bed configuration outfitted with a pressure-relieving mattress to guarantee a restful sleep. The interior layout incorporates a compact kitchenette with a built-in sink, a collapsible tabletop, and a convenient microwave for easy meal preparation on the go. A major highlight of this micro motorhome is its robust electrical architecture, which can be equipped with an advanced 300 AAH lithium battery system, a 2,000-watt inverter, and solar charging compatibility for prolonged off-grid stays. This setup effortlessly sustains climate control systems for extended periods and is complemented by external water access points, a 12V cooling unit option, and high-quality storage cabinetry to deliver a truly luxurious, well-equipped outdoor experience within a compact footprint.
The Rakuneru Lily is a well-designed Japanese K camper built on the Daihatsu Hi-Jet cargo platform, offering an intelligent balance between a compact footprint and practical living space. Measuring 3,395 millimeters in length, 1,475 millimeters in width, and 1,890 millimeters in height, it is powered by a 658cc inline 3-cylinder DOHC turbocharged engine generating around 64 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT and available in either 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive. Inside, the vehicle accommodates up to 4 passengers and comfortably sleeps 2 adults, thanks to a flat folding mattress layout supported by a strong yet lightweight aluminum frame. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated beneath the bed base and around the cabin perimeter to maximize efficiency, while optional features include a 100 amp-hour AGM secondary battery, an 18-liter compressor refrigerator, efficient LED cabin lighting, and dedicated DC USB power outlets, alongside optional insulation setups for extended travel. The Oka Atrai SV is a refined Japanese K camper based on the Daihatsu Atrai platform, engineered to maximize comfort, daily utility, and efficient space management. It is powered by a 660cc turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that generates roughly 64 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT and offered in both 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive configurations. Inside, the cabin accommodates up to 4 passengers and provides overnight sleeping space for 2, utilizing a premium triple-layer urethane mattress system for superior support. The interior layout integrates a compact kitchenette complete with a functional sink, a collapsible table, and an available microwave alongside intelligent storage cabinets. This micro motorhome features an onboard 100-volt power infrastructure with traditional outlets and USB hubs to run electronics, sustained by an auxiliary secondary battery with an available solar upgrade. The Honda NVAN E is an innovative all-electric Japanese K vehicle built on the versatile Honda NVAN platform, optimized for both commercial logistics and recreational getaways. It incorporates a high-capacity battery pack paired with an efficient e-axle architecture, supporting rapid charging capabilities that replenish power in approximately 30 minutes. A standout feature is its robust 1,500-watt external power output system, which allows users to seamlessly run household appliances, tools, or camping gear during off-grid travel. The cabin layout maximizes utility with a completely flat cargo floor that quickly converts into a sleeping platform, while an 8-inch navigation display and rear backup camera assist the driver on the road.
The Nuts RV Spinach is a premium Japanese key camper engineered to bring an unexpected amount of interior volume and comfort into a compact van chassis. Typically constructed on platforms like the Suzuki Every or Nissan Clipper, this micro motorhome focuses heavily on maximizing daily usability through intelligent space design. A defining feature is its available pop-up roof configuration, which significantly increases cabin headroom and expands overnight sleeping accommodations for up to 4 individuals. The interior layout easily transitions into a completely flat floor with a proper dinette setup, allowing passengers to comfortably relax face-to-face. Utilizing lightweight, highly durable PVC cabinetry to keep total vehicle weight down, it incorporates a firm urethane mattress system for solid sleep support, alongside multiple modular seating configurations. The vehicle further supports custom add-ons such as integrated sink setups, efficient LED lighting networks, USB charging hubs, and dedicated storage lockers. The Vantech Lunetta PZ is a refined Japanese key camper that transforms the compact Suzuki Every into a surprisingly comfortable micro motorhome. Optimized for practical travel, it retains a standard 4-seat layout while utilizing a cleverly engineered interior that maximizes every inch of available space. The rear passenger seats and cargo floor fold flat to establish a cozy sleeping platform for 2 adults, complemented by a ceiling-mounted shelf and smart storage solutions to keep travel gear organized. A compact sink assembly doubles as an integrated work surface, paired with a swing-out table that provides a highly functional dining or workstation setup. Onboard power access is supported through a 100V outlet alongside standard 12V sockets, making it easy to run small electronics or charge devices on the go, with some variants even supporting a dedicated television setup.